Oh, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, it has been nearly month since I got my hair colored, and I have been recording each and every time I wash my hair, like before and after wash. So, you will see in this video how my color was looking after every wash. I used to wash it every 2 to 3 days. So I'll put insert the clips and someone wants to say you hi. So I'll insert the clips and let's carry on to the video, and please do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you like my video please do share with it. Guys, so I'm going to wash my hair for the first time since I got hair color. I got it on Wednesday and today is Sunday, so it's fourth day. Right now this is how my hair looks before the wash. I did bit oiling last night with almond oil just to avoid further damage. Now the problem is that I have to wash it with warm water because of the cold weather, and I realized that this purple color would fade into my blonde hair, but let's hope for the best. I'll be as careful as I can to to avoid this color from going into the blonde parts. So I'll show you the result after the first wash. Bye. So this is how my hair look after first wash. It has not faded much, only I can see this part which has faded to green, I don't know why, and has not no, over here I got a bit purple. I told you I'll be washing with warm water, so maybe that's why. Other I think is fine, rest of the hair. Right now it's wet, I only towel dried it. So I'll show you again once my hair is dried. Maybe I'll blow dry it a bit, but let's see. And I have used L'Oreal Color Protector shampoo and the conditioner which come with the creme casting, I guess, the hair color pack, that one. I'll see you guys once my hair has dried. This is how my hair looks completely dried. Color has not faded that much, neither it has spread anywhere, I guess. I have not used any dryer or anything on my hair. They were naturally dried. So today I'm going to wash my hair for the second time. It has been weeks since I got hair color. I wash my hair after every 2 days, and as usual I apply almond oil on my hair. This is right now how my hair looks, and this is how the color looks. So I'll see you guys after the wash. Bye. This is how my hair looks washed. I have let only towel dried it. I have not used blow dry or anything. There's not much difference. Even this color is not faded much. So I'll just let it dry naturally, or maybe with little bit of blow dry, and then I'll show you how it looks dried. So this is how my hair looks dried. There is not much difference in the color, especially this purple one. Only that it has become more green from this part. And purple has not faded much, I guess. Neither from behind. Though I am using warm water to wash my hair due to cold weather, still the color is intact. This is how the color looks before the third wash. I did not oil it this time, I forgot to oil it. Now I'll see you guys after washing my hair. This is how it looks after wash. Only this color has faded a bit and it has become more green over here. But there's not a drastic change in the color even in this one. My hair is still wet, it's only towel dried. I'll let it air dry and then show you guys how it looks. Moreover, wet hair looks more dark, so I'll let it air dry. This is how my hair looks before 4th or I guess 5th wash. I don't remember it nicely. I did oiling yesterday using almond oil. So this is how my hair looks dry. I feel as if color has faded a bit now. Not a drastic change, just a little bit. I mean, from the areas which it is fading slowly, that area is becoming green, which I don't like. I should have realized that it would fade and leave green tint. And I'm wearing a jacket matching to my hair.
So that was it, and today I washed my hair and this is how it was looking. Color has not faded much, only few parts have turned green and purple is still there, but it has just lightened a bit and only my roots have grown bit. Touchwood, no white hair. I thought getting it colored from the root would turn it white, but touchwood, still black hair. Oh, and I am still loving my hair and the color. Bye.